Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And my son Quinn and I are doing an algebra activity today that's developmentally appropriate for somebody that's in what grade, Quinn?
Second grade.
Second grade! All sorts of elementary age kids can do this one. It's called 3-bean salad, and it's from one of my favorite books, Family Math. It's an oldie but a goodie. So Quinn, right behind you, I have the recipe for 3-bean salad. And I have 3 bags of beans here. Lima beans, red beans, and black-eyed peas. Can you follow the recipe and show us what's going to be in the salad? 2
lima beans.
All right, put them on the salad. Great.
Twice as much red beans as lima beans. That means that you put 4 red beans.
How did you know it was 4?
Because this isn't really a lima bean.
Uh-oh, I'm going to put that one off to the side. All right, that's okay. We'll throw it away in a minute. How did you know it was 4 red beans that we would need?
Because 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Okay, great. And then the last clue says 10 beans in all. So how many black-eyed peas are you going to put in our 3-bean salad?
1, 2, 3,
4. Great. There are a lot more clues for this 3-bean salad activity. That's just one of the recipes. I hope you'll give this kind of algebraic reasoning a chance with your kids. Thanks for watching.